Hello! Today I'm going to be introducing you to my CS50P final project, Uno in Python. Before I take a look at the code, here's a little bit about myself. My name is Benjamin Rosa, 13 years old, my father's from the US and my mother is from Japan. We all live in KL, Malaysia. My final project for the course is a text-based version of me and my family's favorite card game, Uno. Now let's get into the code. What I've done is I've created a class for a card, a class for a deck, and a class for a pile, as well as a player and bot player class. And each of these basically represent a card, a deck, a pile, and so on. We have my functions, find num, shuffle names, check move, and main. So main sort of manages the infinite loop. It'll declare the deck is global and the pile is global. Right, it has the powers here, bot names. It will then shuffle the bot names, and then it'll set the player change to 1. Then the number of players is found, and the number of bots is found. The player list is declared, and the number of players and their names are appended. So then we have the same thing with the bots, and the first player is randomly assigned. Here's the infinite loop, and it will have formatting. It'll tell you whose turn it is, etc. And it will say who's the player, change the player number, and end. At here, test project.py, we do PyTest of test project.py, and it passes all 3 of our tests. To give you a brief idea of how this is run, if we do Python of project.py, 1 player, 1 CPU, let's say my name is Ben, and it'll give me my options. Play the card by giving the number on the left, and I can continue to play. New color, red, and let's play 1. So make that green. And let's say I just keep playing. Can't play, so I'll have to draw. After that, play, play. Ben wins. Thanks for playing. Thank you for listening to my presentation. If you have any questions, you can reach me at benhunterrosa@gmail.com. This has been Benjamin Rosa. Thank you CS50P for such the amazing course.